Hey, what is poppin', you guys? Okay, so today I thought it'd be exciting if we went through this freaking box, girl. Oh my god. This is my very first PR box that I've ever received. I have never received a PR box from a company before where like I didn't know that I was going to be receiving it type stuff. So I'm very excited. I'm very surprised that I got this. I already went through it. Cause girl, the second I saw it, I'm so sorry, I opened it. But I'm gonna go through it now with y'all so you guys can also see what the hell is in here. And know what is cooking in here. But yeah, let's get into it, right? Okay, so it says hello Shein fashionista. You know, 2024's super hits. And yeah, okay, let's get into it. You open it up. Look how cute it is. And oh god, it's so big. It has a little wheel, and then it has a bunch of little boxes with things in them, and then it also has these little flowers as well. And I have actually not seen these flowers up close. Everything will be better. Best wishes. And it's this super cute little crochet flower detail situation. Super freaking cute. And then yeah, okay, let's get into the wheel. Let me put this back here so then it can look cute again. Looks super cute in there. Okay, let's spin the wheel. Let's see what we're gonna do. What are we gonna look into? Which one are we gonna open first? We're gonna open the yellow one. Let's go in with the slow. Okay. Oh, such a big box. All right. What is in slow? Ooh, I forgot. Slow has this super cute Care Bears hair towel. Woohoo! Look how cute it is. Oh my goodness, it's so adorable. This is from their Shein Care Bears line. But yeah, girl, it's a cute little hair towel. You know, you just grab all your stuff, go like that. Do 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 do. And you know, grab that. Put it on there. There we go. There we go. Cute. Love it. Love to see it. Very adorable. Oh, little fluff. Fluffy. But yeah, super freaking cute. So that's the very first thing we got. We got a cute little hair towel. Eat. We'll get back into it. Super heavy. Spinny, spinny. Oh, it says slow again. So we're just gonna. Whoop, purple. Oh my god. Let's go into it. Let's grab that one. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. Oh yeah. Okay. So this one has cute little we're not going to do the spinning anymore, by the way. I'm just going to open up the boxes. Okay, so it's this cute beauty blender type of situation, beauty sponge. It is a makeup puff by Shein. There's this really cool Shein sticker on the top of it that I kind of want to take off and put on my paraphernalia. So I'm going to do that right now as we speak. This is such a cute sticker. It's literally one of the coolest stickers ever. So sticking cool. Okay. Anyways. So we got a cool makeup sponge. We got some very cute press-on nails. Let me take them out of the package so you guys have a better viewing experience. Ugh. There you go. Oh, well, okay, let me take them out of the package again. Sorry, there's just so much glare. Fucking mosquito. There we go. Look how cute those are. Oh, don't look at my nails. My nails are not cute right now. Look how cute those are. So stinking cute. So I'm excited to do those later. And we also got a Drowning in Your Eyes brush set, which is also really nice. Really nice and cute. I'm gonna put those in there, like so. Comes with a mirror. And there you go. But yeah, okay, so that's that one. Let's open up the other one. Ooh. Let's open up this Active Living one. This one is, I don't actually know what this is because I haven't like opened it, so I don't actually know what the hell this is. This is a fanny pack. Cute. We got a cute little fanny pack that actually stretches pretty wide, which is nice. You can also make it bigger right here, which is also nice. Nice. Look at that. It stretches, girl. It's a cute little fanny pack. I think it's supposed to fit. Let's see. This little doohickey can fit your like phone, probably your keys, some quarters. Yeah, you can fit some stuff in here. It's really cute. This is super cute. It's a very nice like texture as well, and I like that it's nice and soft right there, so it's nice and comfy. But yeah, it's a really like nice like fanny pack that's like very, very compact. Super compact fanny pack. Incredibly compact fanny pack. Okay. Next, let's see. Let's go into one of these. Let's go into the Creative Living one. We haven't opened one of these yet. Ooh, this is fun. We got a motherfucking Bedazzler. We got a freaking Bedazzler. I have yet to use it. I have never used. I'm excited though. It's very cute. It comes with the bisexual colors inside. It has pink, purple, and blue bedazzles. And yeah, girl, this is exciting. What the freak? I don't know how it is you use it, but this is exciting. I'll figure it out soon enough. But yeah, girl. Exciting. I think I'm supposed to wait, hold up. Hold up, let me just load this puppy up. Ooh. How do I? There you go. Oh, there you go. Okay. There we go. A little bedazzle. Another little bedazzle. Ooh, we love the little bedazzles. That's really cute. Wow, and they like are low-key on there, girl. That's cute. Let's do one more right here. Ooh. That is so stinking cute. Oh my god. We love being dazzled. Ah! That's really cute. I was not expecting for that to work that well. That's really cool. I really like that. I'm definitely going to be using that especially for when I go out and stuff, because that is so stinking cute. Oh my god, that is so cute. Wow, okay, slay. Next, let's open up this one right here, the Glamorous Living. We got, ooh, we got some earrings, motif earrings. We also got a cute little ring. Let's open up the ring. The earrings I'm probably going to give to someone else because your girl can't wear earrings. But I also do have those converters, actually, so never mind. Those are mine. Never mind, they're mine. Ooh, this is cute. Look at that. I think I can also make it bigger, right? Oh, yeah, girl, I can make it bigger. Oh, yeah, this can go on my actual finger. Look at that. Probably put it on the pointer finger. There we go. Super cute. Super cute little ring. And then I think we got little scrunchies as well in this package. Yes, we got silk scrunchies. Whoa. Nice and silky. It's good for the hair. It's good. It's cute. I love to see it. Okay. This is also really cute. Like the little like ring holder is really cute. Okay. Let me also show you guys the earrings up close. Look how cute those pearls are. Those are really, really cute. Yeah, I'll probably put those on the converters and I'll probably wear them. I just gotta find my converters. They're very cute. Super cute earrings. 10 out of 10. Super cute. Okay. Let's open up the next one. This one right here. I already know what this is. I love how I'm acting surprised, like if I don't know what they are. But I know what everything is, but it's still so cute. I'm just excited that I can finally like open it and like actually use it. Because like I've seen them, but I just haven't been able to like open them, you know? This is nice. It's nice and heavy. Super cute little phone stand. Look how cute that is. I'm so excited. Shh. I'm so excited to use it. Look how cute it is. I'm literally so excited. This is so stinking cute. Oh my god. Look, cute phone stand. Okay, let's open up the last one of the Creative Living. We got this cute little positive potato. If I can just, there we go. Look how cute he is. Little positive potato. Positive potato. I may be tiny potato, but I believe in you. Go do your thing. Look how cute. Positive potato. Cute little positive potato. And then they also gave me a super cute little journal. A little notepad journal type of situation. And it smells like chocolate. It smells so much like chocolate. Like, I don't know how they did that, but it just reeks of chocolate. And it smells so good. I want to, you know. But yeah, it smells really, really good. If I were to get one single thing from this entire haul, it would be this, honestly, because it smells so good. Oh my god, the chocolate smell is just so delectable, girl. It's so good. Okay, the last one of the Glamorous Living. Oh yeah, I forgot about this. It is a super cute little purse. It's a little purse. Look at it. And it comes with a chain. It's so stinking cute. Look how cute this is. Cute little purse. Such a cute little purse. This one is also going to be great for the freaking club. It's gonna fit my little cards in there. It's not gonna fit a phone though, but it'll at least fit your cards, okay? Lip gloss and cards, great for a date as well. But yeah, girl, this is so stinking cute. But yeah, also got this cute little purse. And then last thing that they so graciously sent me is this super fantabulous little iron. Look how cute this is. They sent me a little freaking iron. Can you believe that? You fill up the water right here on this little portion right here. Fill it up with water. Right there, you fill it up with water. You plug it in. And then you start ironing your clothes, girl. And it even does a little like steam thing. And yeah, and you just iron your clothes. And it's to iron your clothes. It's a cute little tiny baby one. So stinking cute. It also comes with a stand and with the little measuring cup for the water. And yeah, look at that. Look how stinking adorable that is. And it also comes with instructions. But yeah, I feel like this is a really, really nice little PR box. It like gets you started for your new year, you know. You have forever flowers as well, which are fantastic and wonderful and beautiful. Let me take them out of their package now that we're not looking at the box anymore. Let me see. What is this? Oh, they also give you a little bag. I'm assuming it's so you can put the flowers in there. So maybe you can take them to wherever it is you need to take them, but these are mine, so I don't have to take them anywhere. But look how cute they are. They're so stinking cute. They're made of yarn, and they're absolutely adorable. I am in love. Look how cute those are. So stinking cute. But yeah, that is everything that I received from my PR box from Shein. And yeah, girl, I'm just so happy and so gracious and so grateful for Shein even thinking of me and for Shein sending me this really awesome freaking PR box. I love it, and it's so freaking cool, and it's amazing. Like, you guys are literally so cool and amazing. I live, love, and laugh. We also get to keep these really cool boxes as well. Like, look how cool these are. Me disassembling the box, but you know what I mean. It's really cool. But yeah, you guys, very happy, and I am honestly very grateful for Shein. So yeah, I love you guys. But yeah, I'm really happy, and I'm super grateful for Shein. But I love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. I love you.